Okay. Doesn't location also go into a factor into rebuilding cost?
The whole address does, yeah, your zip code for sure. It's well, and it's going to be so the structure in the walls, that's your labor, your materials, your nails, the people you hired, the door frames, the windows, your
Mhm.
zip code, the location is going to be the rater for the premium. So how much are we paying, right? A home in Scottsdale, Arizona is certainly going to cost more because oh, thanks for the like, is certainly going to cost more um,
Oh.
to purchase, but your nails, labor, wood, that sort of thing, that's just the cost of the home.
Mm.
However, labor can change if you're based on a mountain. If it takes a lot of heavy machinery to get up to the top to rebuild your home, that can increase replacement cost, your labor.
Thank you all for watching this here video.